Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back in Rohners Auto Parts in Willmar, Minnesota, and I'm going to be filming other parts of the yard today. This video, we're going to focus on the southwest portion, and in the next video, we'll focus on the northeast portion. So with that being said, let's dive right into this thing. There's a lot to see. Thousands upon thousands of cars, trucks, old machinery, lots of cool stuff. So let me find a row to get in here and we'll start looking at some cars. All right, so this is the southwest corner of the property. There is a ton of cars to look at here. Unlike in the last video, I'm not going to be crawling through all of these weeds and sticker bushes because it's a lot more organized back here. This is a lot of Pontiac and Buick stuff. An Olds 98 factory, looks like AC cars, what it's written on the fender. A lot of 70s and 80s stuff as well back here. So yeah, if you need parts, Willmar, Minnesota, Rohners Auto Parts, open every day except Sundays and Wednesdays from 8 to 5:30. Call ahead before you show up. Awesome people to deal with. They've got just about everything you need. They have new stuff, old stuff, trucks, cars, potholes. Just stepped in one. They're calling for snow next week. That's why I got up here as quick as I did. I bought a vehicle. We'll see that at the end of this video. But just rows upon rows of old cars. Olds Cutlass, kind of cool. Seen it mainly complete still. All right, let's head back to the next row here. There's a wagon, maybe a 63 or 64 wagon. This I want to say is a 55 or 56 Olds right here, which is kind of unusual to see in a sea of newer stuff. There's a 59 Buick flat top. I missed that one the first time I was here. That's crazy. Now the floor pan's out of it, I guess. Never mind. Interesting car to see. And a 59 Oldsmobile right there. I should check this out. The 59 junkie in me. If there's anything in here to save. Nope, got a newer seat. Just rows upon rows. Stacked too high. Buick, Olds. There's some Pontiacs scattered throughout here, but also rows upon rows of cars over there. We'll get to them shortly. 61 or 62 Buick. Definitely a parts car. Lots of wagons too, actually. I'm kind of surprised how many wagons there are here. All right, let's turn around. So much to see in so little time. Forecast is calling for snow up here next week, so this is my last trip up here for a while. But in the springtime, I'm definitely going to come back. There's a few more cars here that I'd like to take home with me. Big four-door hardtops. Sitting next to the little newer stuff here. So yeah, guys, if you're interested, Rohners Auto Parts, Willmar, Minnesota. Open every day except Sunday and Wednesday. 8 to 5:30 or 8 to 5, I can't remember. Check their website for sure on the hours. Bring your own tools. I think they have some as well, but bring your own stuff and you know what you've got. As you guys can see, it just keeps going. And there's still a bunch of stuff over here to look at. This is a two-door hardtop. All right, this is kind of the end of the stacked rows. Let's head over here and Buick Roadmaster wagon. Dave Marshall would like that. There's lots of big four-door hardtops as well here. All right, this is kind of the end of it. Got a few Chevy Cobalts right here. This ain't a bad looking car. A two-tone red with a white top. I'm sorry, red top, white body. Probably could be saved, really. Somebody wanted to. All right, let's hop over here a little bit and check out some of the older stuff in this field of little newer stuff. What was this, a Monza? I'm assuming this was a convertible. That's why also the whole back half be missing. The terrain's getting a little rugged. I want to say this is like a 61 Buick. I'm not sure on the tail lights, either 61 or 62. All right, let's head, well, oh man, can't get through here. There we go. You guys might appreciate these as well. I know my parents' neighbor has a bunch of these cars. Chevy Citations, Celebrities. I'm not even sure what the Oldsmobile and all that other stuff version of them are, but I know they're kind of getting collectible, so we need parts. All right, and then the last few cars that we can get to. I'm assuming this is an old Derby car right here. Stuff's a little older, it's been here a while. This Torino's pretty cool. All right, let's head back up. Here's another stacked row of cars. I hope the lighting is all right. The sun is right in my eyes filming this, but maybe you guys will be able to see something better than I can. All right, I'm trapped. So I need to turn around here. It's kind of hard here to get in the middle of this thing because there's really no defined path. Here's a small aisle we can go down and explore. Here's another Cutlass with a hood. Someone needs a nice hood. Boat tail rib. Missing the trunk lid. Now I'm not sure, but aren't the stripes on the bottom means this is a Rally 350? Which, if that's the case, very rare car to be in a salvage yard. Maybe it's just a standard Olds. This little newer stuff in here. Lots of Cadillacs. There is lots of old sprinkled in the new. So you just have to come up here and walk this place to really get a feel for it. And our boat tail rib. 1955 or 54 Cadillac. Sitting next to a 61 or 62 Cadillac. Both are parts cars, but nonetheless very, very cool to see. So this is pretty cool. It's a 59 Cadillac. And I saw this thing parked outside the last time I was here. So I thought someone bought this car. But obviously, they were bringing it inside. Pretty rough old girl. But the tail fins are here, which, that's huge. Should try to buy this car whole. Unfortunate it's missing front fenders, but in the hood and a lot of other good stuff, but grill seems to be here. What a cool old car. 1959 Cadillac. Went up the rear bumper and stuff. Nope, it's all gone. Be an awesome wall hanger though. We'll consider this one. Maybe we'll come back and take this car home. There is a bunch of old stuff right in the middle of this, but there's just no way to get in there. All right, here's a row of, looks like Lincolns. I want to showcase before we leave this part of the yard. All right, so this is Lincoln Row. And if you need parts for a 70s town car, 80s town car, Continental, it's a hardtop, but still. This is a early Continental, maybe 60, 61. This is a rare bird. My buddy Ryan in Texas just posted one he bought, I think in Des Moines actually. It's either 58, 59, 60, somewhere in there. But very unique cars. Tough to get parts for, tough to find. Here's another Continental, another hardtop. Hope the wind noise isn't too bad for everyone either. It is awful windy out here today. Another Continental, actually two of them right here. Another rare 58, 59, 60 Lincoln. So if you need parts for these cars, here's a few good ones to take from. Here is the other backside of the Lincoln Row. It's more Lincolns. Another Continental. It's a 58, 59, 60 Thunderbird. And they have thousands upon thousands of cars for every year, make, and model. So if you're looking for parts, definitely check them out. I couldn't leave this place without filming the Impala section back here. I walked through here earlier today. 1960 Impala, 4-door hardtop. 1960 Impala, 4-door sedan, 60 Chevy Biscayne, 60 Chevy Biscayne, 56 Chevy wagon, 1959 Impala, 4-door hardtop, another 60, that's a Bel Air right there, 60 Bel Air, 58 Bel Air, 58 Biscayne, they're all pretty stripped, but still very cool. If I can get around this old Massey. Some big cars down here. There's a 59 Bel Air all the way down in there. We're not going down there today though. It's a 58 wagon, 60 Bel Air, 59 Chevy, 60 Chevy, 60 Chevy. Here's a 58 wagon. That's a 58 Impala, 2-door hardtop. Seen better days. There's a 60 flat top Impala. Down there's a 59 Buick. It's a 4-door sedan on its side. 60 Chevy right here. A 57 wagon. I mean, just, it's really crazy to see this many cars, still here all in one spot. Here's another 60 Impala. 4-door hardtop. Wish this, oh, it does have door trim on it. This Fleetline does. 58 Chevy. Yeah, that side's missing. That's the side I need the most. And then a bunch of Corvairs. Bunch of Tri-5s, kind of littered through there. Corvair convertible, 56 Chevy. I've already filmed all that in the last video. And I filmed this in the last video as well. There's a couple more cars up here I want to show everyone before we head out. All right, so over here, just a lot of Mustangs, some Cougars, a bunch of cool stuff. There's 2 fastback Mustangs. Mikey was contemplating these, but I think he's going to pass on them. This one's a 69. Where's the other one at? Well, there was 2 back here. Oh, it's right there, an orange one. That's a 70. This one's a 69. But I bought a 59 wagon that was sitting right here. It's pretty rough. It looked a lot better sitting here, but that's all right. You win some, you lose some. I'll just kind of walk up this way to wrap up the video. There is a 60 Impala in here somewhere, two-door hardtop. I saw it on the way in. Yeah, there's a 58 Olds. Where, oh where? There's another Lincoln. 58, 59, 60 Lincoln. Where, oh where is the 60 Impala? It's right up there, I see it. She's pretty rough, but still a hard car to find. We'll check that out, and this will be the end of this video. Check out part 3, because this is part 2. Part 3 next week. All right, so here's a 60 Olds. This was also a two-door hardtop. Trunk lid is still in this car, which is kind of crazy to see. I should buy it and take it home with me, but someone else needs it worse than I do. 1960 Impala, two-door hardtop, black on red, the best combination you can get. And then because we can't end on a Chevy like we always do. 56, I believe, Buick wagon. So, if you guys enjoyed the video today, leave a thumbs up. Comment your favorite car to the bunch. If you're brand new, make sure to subscribe. I'm always finding cool places like this. And I have one more video scheduled for next week showing all the trucks in this place. So thank you all for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I'll catch you guys next time.